Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and Salam Sejahtera everybody. I am Dr. Yus and I am here with you to share the tips and the tricks on how to enrich our children's vocabulary. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary refers to the words we know to communicate effectively. In general, vocabulary can be described as oral vocabulary or reading vocabulary. Apa itu vocabulary? Vocabulary ialah perbendaharaan kata atau perkataan. Why do our children need to have more words? They need words to speak, they need words to read, they need words to write. In other words, they need words to express themselves. How do we help our children to have more words? Why do we have to start here in our house? Do you know that our children can get a lot of words in the house? They can make their own collection of words here. There are numbers of areas in the house: kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, study room, and etc. Our children can start exploring words that they can find in the areas with our help. They may want to list the words in their first language, then they can find the words in English language using dictionary. This is what we call as experiential learning. Pembelajaran melalui pengalaman. Mereka akan lebih mudah mengingati perkataan kerana mereka belajar dari pengalaman. Let's take a kitchen as an example. They can name or label the things. They can point to the things when they are asked to. They can play a guessing game. They can even spell the words. They can do a lot of activities just to enrich their vocabulary. Everywhere they are, whatever they see, they can relate to words in English language. They will start thinking critically and creatively. They can use this kind of table to list whatever they see. It can be people, things, and animals. They can also relate to their feelings. Once they are done with this area, we can move to another area. Let me share with you other tips and tricks to help in enriching our children's vocabulary. We can play Simon Says Point 2. You can even change to Mommy Says or Daddy Says. They will have to point to the things that you say. If we want to have something challenging, we can try Spell It Now. Once you finish saying the word, the children have to spell it. For example, you point to a kettle and you say the word kettle. They have to spell Kettle. Or try something even more challenging but fun. A word game. It is called Name Country, taking the first two columns to name the game. This is one of the games that can enrich our children's vocabulary as well as widen their knowledge. So how to play this game? First, the game is played by more than one person. It can be 2, 3, 4, or even more. Remember, the more, the merrier. Then, each of them has to have a piece of paper where they have to draw a table which consists of 6 columns and name the columns as seen on the screen. The first person has to choose a letter. For example, he or she has to say, I choose letter A. It is going to be like this. All players share their words once they are done. If they are not sure of the words and the spelling, they can refer to dictionary or a digital dictionary. If they don't share the same word, they will score 20. But if they share the same word with the others, they will only score 10. And if the word is wrongly spelled, the person will not get any scores. Like this. This game can be played in many rounds. At the end of the game, each person has to count his or her total score. The person with the highest score wins the game. This is how the game is played. Let's go a little bit advanced from a word to a sentence activity. After the game, we can ask our children to make sentences out of words they have used in the game. For example, Michael is my friend. He lives in Mexico. He has a pet monkey. He loves eating mangoes. One of his hobbies is riding his motorcycle to the countryside. Before I end this video, I would like to summarize 3 activities that I have shared with you. Activity 1. Children begin by collecting words from their surroundings. Activity 2. Children play word games to strengthen their memory and challenge their thinking skills. Activity 3. Children make sentences using words collected. Don't forget to try all tips and tricks shared in this video. For more sharing, kindly contact me, Dr. Yusnita Mat-Yunus at yusnita_Mat-Yunus@yahoo.com. Till we meet again, all the best. Thank you. Take care and be safe.